Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called of John C. So today I'm going to show you how my update is in my code. So and the things I did in my code. So it was supposed to complete on the post router and then update, and then after that we have also and delete. So and that's what I did. So let me come back in my user controller, and there we go. So I have added the create contacts, right? Here I create a contact. First I try to check if username, last name, email, and favorite color and birthday do exist in my field. As if it does, if it exists, sir, I should create a new contact here. And if it is not existing, I can return an error there. And also we have an update. In update, what I did is I get an ID from a reg.parameters promise, and then I get also data from a reg.body. And also I checked an ID. If it exists, I should run the program. It is not exist, I should return this error message. And also here I used the function called find by ID and updated, right? Then I passed ID in the parameters, and then data contact in the parameter, and then it new to be true. Also I check it. If it exists, I should continue. If not, I should return this message error. And then I did the similar with a delete message, and that's what I did. And then after that I used the Swagger. So I installed the Swagger, and then I went through the GitHub, which has been shared in our codes, and then I downloaded, and then I modified every stuff here. So what I did here, I changed a local host to be 5001, and also changed every stuff here. And then I download again Swagger the Johnson, and I use this as where I changed every stuff. So that's why I did contact API, that on my API. Yeah, that is all I did. And yeah, so yeah, that now let us try. And I've done everything. I deployed it all of them, right? And there we go, we are in our Swagger, because I deployed on the render. And this is my API, the title we saw, and also we have contact here. If I want to get our contact, I should try here and then execute. We have all the contacts as well. And if I want to get contact by ID, I should come here to copy this ID, come here again, press on try, and then paste it here, paste also here, because I don't have any token. Then paste it. You will be able to see a particular contact. There we go. And if I want to delete, I can come here again, paste it as well, paste it again as a token, and delete. There we go, the contacts have been deleted successful. And if I want to update, I should do the same. But here I should do the same here, but I didn't do anything here. So I will update it as well. And this is what I did. Everything is working as expected, and that is all for this video. Yeah. And I came other stuff, I came here in my index. So this is an index, right? And I imported the Swagger because I installed it, and then I imported also a Swagger in my router. I came here in my router and then create another Swagger which contains this stuff. So it contains a router for API docs and API docs, something like that. And this is awesome. Yeah, and then I imported it in this index.js file. Then I came here because when I was running this program, I got an error because I don't know. I When I was trying to use just Swagger Johnson, it was generating an error. That's why I imported fs and then the path. Come here and then try to resolve this, like path that will resolve, and then use like Swagger Johnson and then press it like read the file is saying Swagger file path, and then use utf-a. That's where I use it, and then come here, use it up the use the API, and then Swagger UI dot save, and then Swagger dot set up, and then use the raw document. Sorry, use the Swagger document here, which is coming from here, in the file, and this is what I did, and then it works. And I did the similar thing here. So no, yeah, I did a similar thing in a similar way, and it is working perfectly. And this is all, guys. So see you next time for other updates related to this beautiful API. Thank you so much.